guys, so we're gonna do this Mario Hot Wheels car things, and to go with it, I have Mario Kart with the little thing and this ghost guy. So let's open it up. And we're gonna see you guys in a minute when we get it set up. So guys, here's all the pieces. Yeah, whatever that is, the little ball, the little where to put two cars on, the little track, and everything. I'll see you guys when we get it all built together. Okay, so first we gotta put our Donkey Kong in here, just in the little slot. Now we're gonna have to turn this, and this is off right now, so we're gonna turn it on. Now we're gonna hit it and see if it goes across. It might take a few tries. Donkey Kong going to good. Oh, I did it! Thank you for doing. Now we're gonna put the stickers on. See you in a sec. So, we're back. We added the stickers here and the little, stickers. So since we already did Donkey Kong, we are gonna do these two, Mario and this ghost guy. I don't really know his name. And since we already did Donkey Kong, and you can actually take this one apart and add like different Mario Kart tracks if you have them at home or anything. So let's put Mario on first. Oh man.
You did it.
He goes actually faster than... Now we're going to try this ghost guy. He literally got stuck there. Oh, really? He did it. The ghost guy, I think. Mario and the ghost guy are good.
You did it. That was perfect.
Okay, now we're going
The chomper didn't get you when you jumped or when you got
We're
through.
going to see if Mario.
There you go.
This goes very slow, so I think that's why. Oh, that didn't work. Good. There we go. Now let's try Mario for the last time, and then the ghost. Oh, bye.
Say okay. Goodbye.
Okay, goodbye.